Okay, guys, it's early Sunday. No, it's Monday morning. It's a long weekend. It's early Monday morning. I got up around 6-ish. Just got set up. I am going to make focaccia bread. And I'm making it with our friend and neighbor, James Makison. He is on Twitch and he does live streams there with cooking, and he puts the ingredients up of what he's going to make so you can cook along with him. And if you have any questions and stuff, you can ask him. So it's going to be so much fun. So I'm going to record a little bit of it. Waiting for my doggy to come in. She's flippy. Oh, I can't flip the thing around. Sugar. I was going to show you Jerri-ellen. Anywho, we're going to get this day started. Got my coffee. So the ingredients that James listed to measure out is 500 grams of all-purpose flour, or a pound, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 7 grams of active dry yeast, and 25 grams of fresh yeast, and 325 mils of warm water. Okay. Okay, this is my laptop camera. I'm not sure how good it's going to be. Trying to get set up here. Dog wants up in a chair. Usually when I cook, that's what she wants to do. There you go, puppy. You guys got to go over and join James on Twitch and subscribe to him. So many great recipes. I know I'm probably pronouncing his last name wrong, but anyway, I'll try to leave a link to the Twitch.
Okay, can everyone hear me? Yes? Welcome, everybody. Welcome, Jerri-ellen. Today we're going to be making something very tasty.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. L'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, non più drai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo.
This into here. Yes.
Okay, into there.
All of it in.
All of it in.
Just going to wipe it down again. And we're just going to work everything together.
Tua dolcino d'amor, delle belle non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non chiudrai farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno d'amor, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Fra guerrieri può far bacco, grande stacchi stretto sacco, schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto, muso franco, un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto noco cantante. Ed invece del fandango, una marcia per il fango, per montagne, per valloni, con le nevi e solioni al concerto di tromboni, di bombardie di cannoni che le porre tutti i tuoni all'orecchio fan fischiar. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, non più avrai.
To make it elastic, that's where you start seeing it become
Sticky.
sticky. Yes, because it's becoming more elastic.
I love making bread.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color.
Okay, guys, it doubled in size in the bowl. Took it out of the bowl, oiled up the casserole dish, put some semolina down, put the bread in and spread it out. It was easy to spread out. The dough feels so nice. And then you put like little holes, but I think I put a lot. Okay, guys, it got a few more minutes. Okay, neighbors, it has a few more minutes to go. However, I took it out, put some more olive oil on it, and put a little bit of rosemary on there too. Look at that. As you can tell, those little dimples that I made in the dough, I put some olives, roasted red pepper, and I put some cherry tomatoes and in those little. Okay, now I cut a piece. Okay. Oh, it looks so soft. I'm gonna have a little bite. Oh my goodness gracious. So good. Check out James' channel. Okay? Talk soon, guys. Take care. God bless. And thank you so much for being here.